Hello everyone, this is Samir. Welcome back to my channel EasyGate. Now we are going to discuss about capacitor. Now come to the definition of capacitance. Capacitance is a property of capacitor which opposes the change of voltage. Capacitance is the property of capacitor which opposes the change of voltage. Okay? Now look at this figure. In this figure, what we can see that a capacitor is connected to a voltage source. A capacitor is connected to a voltage source. This is nothing but a dielectric medium. Now we can see that this capacitor will store the charge in the form of voltage. This capacitor will store the charge in the form of voltage, right? That means the greater the charge is, the greater the voltage. That means we can say that charge is directly proportional to voltage. Charge is directly proportional to voltage, that is Q is directly proportional to V. If I remove this proportionality, we'll get Q is equal to CV. This C is a proportionality constant which is called as a capacitance. If I want to find this capacitance value, we need to shift this V from this side to this side. We will get C is equal to Q by V. Right? Now, the limits for capacitance are coulomb per volt, which is called as farad. Okay? Now, if I want to plot a characteristics for capacitor, how we will find that? Now look at this equation. This is in the form of y is equal to mx. That means we can see that y value as q, m value which is our slope as c, and x value as v. If I try to plot a characteristics in qv plane, what we will get? We will get a straight line. We will get a straight line which is passing through origin. We will get a straight line passing through origin with a slope c in qv plane. Okay? We'll get a straight line passing through origin with a slope c in qv plane. This is the characteristics of capacitor. If I want to find out the current expression and voltage expression of capacitor, how we will find that? Now come to this. Current means rate of change of charge with respect to time. Current means rate of change of charge with respect to time. That means I of t is equal to dq by dt. We already know that q value as, here you can see that q value as CV. Now we'll try to substitute this q value in this equation. We'll get C into dV of t by dt, because here C is the constant. This is the current expression of capacitor. Now if I want to find out the voltage, how we will find that? We need to find this voltage. That means we need to shift this C and dt from this side to this side, and we need to apply integration on both sides to remove this differentiation. We will get V of t as 1 by C integration of I of t dt. Okay, this is the current expression of capacitor, and this is the voltage expression of capacitor. I think you have understood this. In the next lecture, we will be looking the energized and unenergized capacitor and the practical capacitor. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.